Looking to upgrade your car stereo but worried about complicated wiring? This stereo wiring harness is designed specifically for Dodge, Chrysler, Mitsubishi, and Jeep models, making your audio upgrade smoother and more reliable. Whether you drive a 2007 to 2011 Dodge Avenger or a 2008 to 2013 Jeep Liberty, this harness fits perfectly and helps you avoid the guesswork that usually comes with aftermarket installations. What makes this wiring harness stand out is its compatibility with a wide range of vehicles. It fits Dodge models like the Avenger, Caravan, Charger, Dakota, Durango, Grand Caravan, Journey, Magnum, Nitro, and Ram truck from various years between 2007 and 2011. For Chrysler, it works with Town Country, 300, Aspen, and Sebring models from 2007 to 2013. It even supports Mitsubishi Raider, 2008-2009, and Jeep models including Commander, Grand Cherokee, Liberty, Patriot, and Wrangler from 2007 to 2013. This means you get one reliable product that covers multiple vehicles without hunting for model-specific parts. Installing this harness isn't just plug and play, but it's straightforward with clear wiring guidance. Match wires color for color, paying attention to those with secondary stripes, like green with a black stripe for speakers. Using insulated connectors and soldering with heat shrink tubing ensures a secure, long-lasting connection. Plus, the red cable lets you tap into the ignition power, usually by connecting to the cigarette lighter circuit, so your radio powers on exactly when your car does. Ignoring this step means your radio won't turn on, so it's crucial for a flawless install. Many users with little to no wiring experience have praised this harness for making the process simple and approachable. One customer mentioned, "I have never wired anything before, but this made it so simple and easy." Another noted how direct the wiring instructions were, especially for the Dodge Nitro, requiring only some basic electrical tape to finish the job. That kind of feedback shows this product delivers on its promise: reliable, user-friendly installation without headaches. If you're ready to replace a broken stereo harness or upgrade your factory wiring, this harness is worth a look. It saves you time and frustration by fitting multiple models and providing clear instructions to get your stereo up and running. No more guessing which wires go where or worrying about power connections. This harness covers the technical details so you can enjoy your new sound system sooner. When you choose this stereo wiring harness, you get peace of mind knowing it's designed to fit your vehicle and built for durability. The solder and heat shrink method ensures connections won't come loose over time, protecting your investment in your car's audio system. Whether you're upgrading to a modern head unit or replacing a damaged harness, this product makes the process smoother and more reliable. Try it when you're ready to simplify your car stereo upgrade. With compatibility across popular Dodge, Chrysler, Mitsubishi, and Jeep models, clear wiring instructions, and proven ease of use, this harness helps you get the job done right the first time. If that's you, someone looking for a dependable, straightforward stereo wiring solution, this harness is the one to consider.